Adani Defence is today entering into a landmark partnership with Embraer. We will establish a regional aircraft manufacturing facility in India.
The largest commercial aerospace partner that we could have and we could wish for here in India. We see a market for more than 500 aircraft in that smaller segment here in India.
I'll echo your thoughts. This is not an Adani project or Embraer project, it's an Indian aviation project.
It is with immense pride that I announce that Adani Defence is today entering into a landmark partnership with Embraer, one of the world's foremost aircraft manufacturers. Together, we will establish a regional aircraft manufacturing facility in India and a one-of-its-kind aviation ecosystem, a project that will redefine the future of aviation in our country. This partnership is more than just a business agreement. It is a vision taking flight. It represents India's determination to build world-class aviation capabilities on our own soil, aligned with the national mission of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, India has embraced bold reforms and ambitious initiatives that have transformed infrastructure and industry. His call for self-reliance has inspired us to think bigger, act faster, and deliver projects that strengthen India's global standing. This facility is going to be a direct reflection of that vision, turning aspiration into action. We are equally grateful for the guidance and support of the Honorable Minister of Civil Aviation, Shri Naidu Garu, Secretary of Civil Aviation, Shri Sinha, Defence Secretary, Shri Rajesh Kumar Singh, and the entire team at MOCA, whose tireless efforts have ensured that India's aviation sector remains one of the fastest growing in the world.
We're very excited that we were able to announce the MOU today. We're very happy that we found Adani as the partner. It's the largest commercial aerospace partner that we could have and we could wish for here in India. We believe we have two capabilities that complement each other very nicely. Adani being active with airports, pilot training, MRO, and of course Embraer very strong in building aircraft of the smaller segment. And we believe there's a vision to not only build aircraft here in India, but we believe there's a huge market. We see a market for more than 500 aircraft in that smaller segment here in India. Based on how we operate elsewhere in the world. So we need smaller aircraft to connect India and to further build India into the future. And I think this is the starting point for that, and there's a lot of work to do. Well, Brazil and India are very good friends, and I think it's great that we now make a big next step in the development in the partnership between the two countries. The highest technology product in Brazil are aircraft. Embraer is the third largest manufacturer of aircraft in the world. And I think the market of India that needs those aircraft provides a perfect match to work together and see if we can forge a partnership in the years ahead.
Yeah, India is fastest growing aviation sector. How do you look into the Indian aviation sector?
So the Indian market is the third largest market in the world, right? And the propensity of travel in India is very low. So the size of the market and the size of growth that the market can have over the next couple of years, that defines that 500 aircraft that we see easily in the next 20 years for the Indian market. So it's a very important market for Embraer. For obvious reasons, India has focused a lot of getting connectivity in place with larger aircraft. But we believe this is the moment to really think how we can connect also the smaller cities to really connect all of the country and to really build together on a more prosperous country.
I'll echo your thoughts. This is not an Adani project or Embraer project, it's an Indian aviation project. And for me, this is not about building an aircraft. This is actually about building the Indian economy bottom up. It's an opportunity for the tier 2, tier 3 cities to come together and see how we can actually elevate the GDP coming from these cities, how we can create jobs which are going to benefit the people coming from these cities. So we're looking at the next 15 years as a significant growth story for Indian aerospace, and it's an exciting moment for us. The reason of Adani choosing Embraer or the two sides coming together, you see, there are very few players in the global market who are actually working on regional transport. Yeah, so you don't have like 100 players out there, and de facto Embraer being the leader in engineering and aircraft was a very obvious choice of what can come to India. There's already a fleet which is being operated by Star Air, which is operating in India, and very, very efficient aircrafts. So yeah, why not?